In this video, we will discuss the proper taping and polishing of the vehicle. This is to ensure the paintwork is looking its best before locking in the results with our coatings. Taking the time to tape off fragile components not only reduces risk, but allows for efficient time usage between steps. Tape off sharp edges and softer materials like trim and lenses. Inspect the paintwork prior to selecting your pad and polish combination using proper inspection lights. Remember to start with the least aggressive combination to ensure safe results. Take extra care around edges and sharp body lines, and the paint can be thinner in these areas. A smaller pad and machine combination will help in these areas. Wipe down your polished section with an MF1 microfiber towel.